Hi, in front of me is ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this device. Start by opening any apps, for example Chrome, and Settings. Then click on this square button and tap on the icon of an app. Select split screen. Over here, all you need to do is click on the other app, and now as you can see, I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards and click Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!